They have all those anchor players
Yes,
जो एंड तक
exclusive है.
रहेगा. रायना लो, रायडू लो, मोइन अली लो, धोनी लो.
But if players like Faf du Plessis,
Yes.
Ruturaj Gaikwad, Ambati Rayudu, MS Dhoni, Moeen Ali, they get set, then they
need
will
one
kill the players.
explosive person.
Dancing shot on, and bingo, it's six.
Glorious straight driving. More runs.
Oh, it could be out. Yes, it will be.
The Sporty Podcast, your weekly dose of sports.
You are listening to the Sporty Pod. This is another video about Chennai Super Kings. We have Aryan with us. Let's talk about the auction.
So the auction for Chennai Super Kings. Before that, I would like to say very fresh news roping in from the CSK camp. Jason Behrendorff has joined for Josh Hazlewood's replacement.
What do you think about that? पहले उसके बारे में.
So it was an interesting choice. They could have gone
Like
for someone
for
else. A like for like choice. Now it's interesting to see if he fits in their squad
Yeah.
for the 4 overseas that they have got. Maybe he will fit. Maybe he will
let's
not.
talk
The
with
types of grounds depend.
पर्सपेक्टिव से बात करते हैं. पहला मैच दिल्ली के साथ है मुंबई में.
मुंबई में उनके इनफैक्ट आप देखोगे तो 14 में से 10 मैचेस हाई स्कोरिंग राउंड पे. मुंबई में 5 मैचेस, बेंगलोर में 3 मैचेस और कोलकाता जो पहले एक डोमिनेंट और एक ग्राउंड हुआ करता था, अभी वो भी छोटा ग्राउंड और स्कोरिंग राउंड हो चुका है.
ऑक्शन में उन्होंने लिया मोइन अली को,
मोइन अली
और लिया कृष्णप्पा गौतम को, बहुत महंगे में लिया उसको.
यस.
और रॉबिन उत्तप्पा को उन्होंने ट्रेड इन किया. तो फिर इतना ही है. उनका ऑप्शन कुछ ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं था.
उन्होंने अपना कोर मेंटेन किया. अभी ये जो
सुरेश रैना इस साल वापस है.
सुरेश रैना केम लास्ट ईयर, ही वेंट टू होम ड्यू टू सम अनफॉर्चुनेट अटैक्स.
धोनी के आखिरी 2 साल है तो परफॉर्म करना है.
We don't know, definitely not. We cannot say anything.
खेल सकता है considering his fitness.
Now the important concern for them was their spin bowling.
Yes.
They roped in Krishnappa Gautam and Moeen Ali for that. Moeen Ali can bring wonders if he has got
मोइन
that
अली आज
form
तक
and-
आईपीएल में चले नहीं है.
but you don't yes but we don't know how Dhoni uses it.
बट ये बोल सकते हैं कि वो अभी आरसीबी से निकला है तो अच्छा खेल सकता है. कंसीडरिंग कि जो आरसीबी से निकलता है खेल जाता है.
No, it is not the case. It is not the case. You are getting to round C for
Let's talk कि दिल्ली के साथ पहला मैच है, मुंबई में है.
Yes, the match is in
Batting
Mumbai.
pitch है, proper
High scoring pitch.
high scoring pitch है.
They need explosive power. Here, Ravindra Jadeja and Sam Curran's role gets very high. If Moeen Ali gets to bat,
तो स्टार्टिंग से बात करते हैं. फैफ और ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ खेलेगा.
yes, Faf du Plessis, if he gets set, you know what he can damage. And Ruturaj
Ruturaj
Gaikwad. After
पिछले
that,
काफी
we have got Suresh Raina.
सुरेश रैना,
Then we have got Ambati Rayudu.
अंबाटी रायडू.
MS Dhoni can come up if he wants. MS Dhoni can always come up if he wants. It will always be a good thing for the fans. But I think he will go with Moeen Ali at 5, MS Dhoni at 6, Ravindra Jadeja or Sam Curran at 7. Then on the 8th number, Ravindra Jadeja or Shardul or Sam Curran.
तो बैटिंग डेप्थ काफी अच्छा है.
It's a very long.
बहुत अच्छा बैटिंग डेप्थ है.
After Shardul Thakur,
Deepak Chahar.
if Jason Behrendorff plays, he can also hit 2 balls.
Okay.
So they have got batting depth till 9 or 8. 8 position is strong. They have got Ravindra Jadeja, like Ravindra Jadeja.
सो इनका एक कंसर्न सबसे पहले ये है कि आधे से ज्यादा स्क्वाड ने क्रिकेट अभी काफी देर तक खेला नहीं है. रायना ने नहीं खेला.
Raina, Ambati Rayudu, Faf du Plessis, then you consider Dhoni, then Ravindra
Jadeja.
Jadeja was injured. He was out of the Indian squad too. Sam Curran has got very
Form
recent
में
recognition.
Yes.
Shardul Thakur
भी
has
अच्छा चल
changed
रहा
the
है.
hopes for India.
दीपक चार एक भी मैच अनफॉर्चुनेटली खेले नहीं.
No Deepak Chahar, no Deep Saini. Shardul Thakur has brought up the hopes.
One wonders, yes.
Yes.
और फिर इमरान
India has immense
ताहिर.
talent.
तो इनका सबसे पहला वीकनेस है स्पिनर. इमरान ताहिर.
Now if they get Krishnappa Gautam in the squad, if they get Moeen Ali in the squad, they have got 2 quality spinners along with Ravindra Jadeja.
Yeah.
Yes. So even if they don't get Krishnappa Gautam, they can bowl Ravindra Jadeja and Moeen Ali.
I know.
But Moeen Ali and also Mumbai Indians and also on Mumbai's ground on Wankhede they are playing. So there on that we can consider that Moeen Ali and Ravindra Jadeja won't play a big role in the bowling. The bowling will be mostly dominated by the pace bowlers.
Again the
so
age
Deepak Chahar
factor.
spin.
Yes.
Shardul Thakur's
Deepak Chahar is a pacer.
swinger.
That
Sorry,
is
sorry.
another Chahar. Rahul Chahar is the one you're talking
हाँ,
about.
हाँ. Deepak Chahar's swing. Shardul Thakur's bowling.
I know.
And
Pacer,
then in the depth bowling, now I
depth
think
bowling is a concern.
they got Jason Behrendorff, but he will be quarantined.
Yes.
Sam Curran will bowl. Dwayne Bravo they have got in their squad.
Yes.
So but that old Dwayne Bravo, we can get Ngidi in the team. Now that is the only option left. So the 4 overseas.
Pacers are a bit of concern for Chennai.
Yes.
Pacers are concerned.
No, their opening bowling, the bowling in the power play, the bowling in the middle overs, that will be great.
But
the death
that
overs,
will be-
Ngidi will be hit.
Yes.
I am predicting it before the season. Ngidi will be hit far away. The biggest concern for them will be the bowling.
I know. And
The explosive batting.
they have all those anchor players.
Yes,
जो end तक
explosive
रहेगा.
batting.
Raina लो, Raidu लो, Moeen Ali लो, Dhoni लो.
But if players like Faf du Plessis,
Yes.
Ruturaj Gaikwad, Ambati Rayudu, MS Dhoni, Moeen Ali, they get set, then they
need
will
one
kill the players.
explosive person
Yes.
की जो वैसे मैक्सवेल हो गया, AB हो गया, या फिर हर टीम में वो है, हार्दिक पांड्या हो गया. They don't have that.
Yes, they don't have that X
Explosive
factor
नहीं
player who you say just go and hit the balls.
But
Hit the first 2 balls.
Dhoni
for
है.
six. हाँ. Dhoni can do anything.
Yes. So again, let's end up with the playing 11, of course.
Faf du Plessis, Ruturaj Gaikwad can be the emerging player. We are predicting it before. Suresh Raina, Ambati Rayudu,
Moeen Ali,
Moeen
of
Ali
course.
can be bought, and then MS Dhoni,
Okay.
Ravindra Jadeja,
Jadeja,
Sam Curran, Shardul Thakur, Deepak Chahar, and
Imran Tahir.
no Imran Tahir. I will get Ngidi or Behrendorff because
For
of
pace.
their matches in Mumbai Indians.
Okay, yeah.
Moeen Ali and Ravindra Jadeja as 2 spinners, it will be a great choice. But you can't add a 3 spinner on a
Looks
a
like
3rd spinner.
pretty decent squad. Pretty
No,
decent.
we can't say anything because CSK has qualified for all the seasons that they played
Except the
the
last
last one. So on just the basis of the last season's performance, we can't analyze a great captain,
I know.
a great player, a great
So-
unit like that.
तो उनका ऑप्शन पूरा ऐसा था कि उन्होंने बस
Yeah, they just-
ये लेके रखा है कि समझो अगर रविंद्र जडेजा को कुछ हो गया उनके पास गौतम है.
गौतम है.
गायकवाड़ को कुछ हो गया तो उनके पास उत्तपा
Uthappa
है.
है.
तो उन्होंने सिर्फ ये लेके रखा है.
हाँ, Uthappa can also get a chance. Uthappa also had a bad season, but that was just the last season which was bad.
So they don't have a proper front line spinner except Jadeja. If it's a bad day for Jadeja, Moeen Ali can't be counted for bowling इतना अच्छे
Yes.
से.
हाँ.
So spin and
Their
pace.
pace attack has to lead it from the front, be it in the middle overs or the power play, and that death bowling for that will be a big issue for CSK.
So will they? What do you think? Will they do it? Qualify or?
See, I will back Thala. I will back CSK. It's his last 2 seasons. I will back Thala.
Maybe we don't know it. Let's see.
Definitely not.
Let's see how Chennai Super Kings go.